What's up everybody? Welcome to my brewery, aka my garage. Chris Graham has been having all the fun brewing on his BrewZilla. It's easily our best-selling all-in-one system. The BrewZilla has a lot of bells and whistles, but for a lot less money, you can actually get what we call the DigiMash, which is the DigiBoil with essentially a malt pipe and false bottom, which allows you to mash and boil all in one system. This is a really easy introduction to all-in-one systems, and like I said, definitely the cheapest option. As you can see, we have the DigiBoil here. I've been using this as a hot liquor tank for years. It works great because it automatically maintains temperature, and I can actually do a delayed heat on it by just using a programmable outlet timer. In order to just make this into a DigiMash, you can grab the DigiMash Upgrade Kit, which includes the pieces you see here, the malt pipe, false bottom, screen for the malt pipe, and then our little hanger handle that'll allow us to lift out the malt pipe when we're ready. But if you don't have a DigiBoil and you're starting from scratch, we do sell this as an all-in-one kit, both as you see it here and also with a recirculation pump kit. Assembly. So step one, install this little eye bolt onto the false bottom, and then just lower that into the kettle. Edit out me struggling with it. Next we have this little ring here. Boom. And then we have the malt pipe. Put this guy. And last but not least will be this guy. Today we're going to be brewing on the DigiMash system, doing an all-grain kit, and we're going to be doing the K-pop Kettle Sour. I'm really excited to do this brew today. I've never done a Kettle Sour by myself. I've actually only brewed Kettle Sours with Vito, who's kind of the expert in it. And by brew with Vito, I mostly mean I stood around and pelted him with questions and then helped clean up afterwards. So that's it guys, first day brewing on the DigiMash and first Kettle Sour I did solo. Everything went pretty well, I'd say. We got the sour pitch in here, purged it with CO2 from the bottom, so we have a nice CO2 blanket up top. It's all sealed up so there'll be no oxygen ingress. And I'll come back in about 12 to 24 hours, take a pH reading and see if we're ready to proceed to boil. But that's it guys. Thanks for watching.